Imagine waking up in the morning, packing a few things you deem of importance, and heading out on a journey. A journey with no maps, direction, or clues. But most important of all, no destination. In this journey, every decision you make has a way of impacting your destination. Scary, right? The journey to nowhere is a journey that all of us take, whether we know it or not. It is a journey that can be filled with uncertainty, fear, and doubt. Life is the journey, and like all journeys, it begins somewhere. Sometimes, though, that somewhere isn't where we thought it would be. Sometimes it's nowhere, and similarly, the destination is nowhere. Every step and choice you make, the people you meet, the lessons you learn as you journey along makes the journey joyous and beautiful. In this journey of life, the destination is never a guarantee. So perhaps enjoying and loving every process of the journey is the destination after all. The journey to nowhere is a journey that reminds us that life is a journey, and that every step we take, no matter how small, can lead us to somewhere we never thought we would go.